Hey, it's William here, and we're going to be doing a little demo on the website I created using WordPress. So it's for the Hamilton Youth Resources, and this is the home page. And you can see right at the top, there's a nav bar with a couple of links and menus that we can always navigate to. And I'm just going to go through all the pages so we can see it. And the target client was to Hamilton Youth Resources. So basically, we're trying to protect the young people from different backgrounds and give them opportunities. So that's the target client, and we can see the impacts. And there's also an embedded video that shows that it links to a video on YouTube that shows the young youths over there, and some other messages too. And also we also have some little statistics on the things that we've done for the youths in our community, and some more images and our partners. And there's also a link for you to donate. You can always donate. Donations are welcomed. And I added the little functionalities right here. I added a little chat box. So it's live chat. In case you have questions, you can always tap on it and you send a message, and it's going to be answered back, and it's powered by Smart Up. So also we have the links here, and in the links I created 2 extra pages. This one links to an external resource on this Hamilton City website. So if we click on it, we're gonna get redirected to another website, and yeah, it takes us here, and we can always go back. Just take a little bit of time. And you have the blog. The blog has some posts that I created, and then we can always view and write more posts. And there should be also the events too, for like the little community stuff that we do for the youth is also put in here as well. So basically the website conforms to the accessibility because of the color impact, the use of different colors to differentiate different parts of the website, use of the appropriate text, and the contrast is not too bright. It's adequate for people to see properly, and everything is pretty much detailed so that someone who's not really technical experience can really understand and navigate through the website without much problems. Yeah. So this is where I'm going to wrap up the video. Thank you.